Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since it doesn't really matter if we will be on the photo or the video mode, because the options we are looking for are, let's say, in the general settings, which are the same for the video and photo. So all we have to do is to simply tap on this settings icon right here. And now let's scroll down to the general section. As you can see, on the third position, we've got the timer option. So let's tap on it. And here we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. So currently we've got the option off, which simply means that the timer is not applied, but we can set to 5 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. As you can see, it has been immediately applied. So now we can go back to the camera and check. And after tapping on the shutter button, you can see that your device will count down from 10 or 2 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. So as you can see, it just took a photo, and basically if you'd like to turn it off, then go back to the timer and tap on off, of course, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to apply the camera timer in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.